Hey guys, it's G and welcome back to another video. So today is going to be the reveal, the final episode of my room makeover. I'm so excited to jump straight into this video and show you guys my final reveal, like the actual reveal of my room. Now it's all been done. All the furniture is here, it's all in place. I can't wait to show you guys what I've added into my room, like the interior of it, even like the decor and stuff. I'm so excited to show you guys where it's all from and my idea and like thoughts behind the whole theme. So without any further ado, let's get on into this vid. But before we start, a cheeky dog bed unboxing. So I've been very kindly sent a gorgeous new dog bed from a lovely company called Ambient Lounge. They actually sell designer beanbags, but they sell pet beds for dogs and cats, which are absolutely gorgeous. Rue needed a new bed and I was so excited when they wanted to actually send me one. I was like, oh my god. We needed a new bed to go with my new room, and this was the perfect video to show you guys her new bed. So here we are unboxing out of the box. Rue is actually on the rug watching me and Mum unbox it, but here we are pulling off the wrapper. Look at the colour, it is absolutely beautiful. So the bed that we have for Rue is a premium indoor-outdoor pet bed in the colour cappuccino. The size we have is the medium, which I think is perfect for Frenchies. With the inside being a beanbag, it is so supportive for your pet, but it also keeps its shape. The faux fur quilted cover is so beautiful, so thick. It is the softest faux fur I have ever felt, and Rue absolutely loves it. I think with the bed's height as well, with it being higher up, she's so much more comfortable, but also she likes to be at that level instead of being on the ground, so it makes them feel like they've got their own bed, which we bloody love. The top actually zips off, which revealed a waterproof, chew-resistant base, but you also can buy different toppers on it. So thank you so much Ambient Lounge for sending me this beautiful bed for Rue. If you guys want to shop these beds, then I will leave a link in the description with a discount code RUE12 for 12% off. Now finally onto the room reveal. Alright, so this is my room reveal. Let me just say, I am obsessed. My whole room has gone from really dull, really grey, really bland to this most beautiful neutral and beige kind of black theme. I really wanted to go for neutral and beige, but also keep it really minimal. It gives my room a lovely feel, makes my room feel a lot more homely, but also it looks so much more modern. I feel like with the lighter walls, it makes my black details pop a lot more. I'm going to start off with this corner of my room, which is like the main focus. In this corner, I have my black side table. This is a round metal side table, which is from Wayfair. I have my two gorgeous coffee table books from Amazon. They were expensive, but they were so worth it. Not only are they good books, but they look beautiful. Then on top of that, I have a vase, which is actually from IKEA, and then I have just some black bunny tails inside of that with a matte black candle. Then just on this wall, I have my 2 mirrors. These 2 mirrors are actually the black framed mirrors from B&M. And then in the corner, I have my big black IKEA mirror, just with some pampas grass next to it. I feel like it just sections this room off really nicely. Then on the other side of the room, I have my floor lamp, which I'm obsessed with, which is also from IKEA. It was only £27, which is a bargain. Then in the corner, I just have my 2 huge metal plant pots, which are actually from Matalan. Then moving on to my bedroom. Now my bedroom isn't actually done, but I will show you guys my rug. If you remember, I had a big dark charcoal rug. I have now sold that and decided to get a new rug, which is this gorgeous beige and black little patterned rug. I think it looks really nice with the theme that I'm going for, with the neutral and black theme. Makes my room look a lot bigger. Now lastly, moving on to my office area. Now this is the corner of my room where I spend most hours editing. Corner, I just have a lamp which was from Next, which I may be changing, not too sure yet. And then I've just got my Jo Malone diffuser along with a candle and a black stool, which is also from IKEA. In the corner, I have my beautiful plant pot. This is fake, but it was from IKEA, and it's got like fake little bunny tails on, which I really like with the pop of green. This area of the room, I've just kept really minimal, and I'm obsessed with it. Oh my god, so that is it for today's video. Oh my god. Can't believe I've finally shown you guys my room. So bloody happy with it. This whole space in my room now, like, forget our room, it feels like a bloody Manchester apartment. I am absolutely living my best life. Just by painting the walls and adding a few like new bits of furniture really makes a room like turn into a whole nother level, and it's just crazy, and I've really enjoyed doing this. This was all from my little ideas on Pinterest, and it's turned into a reality, which is unreal. I didn't even think it'd be done. Like, honestly, I didn't expect it to be done this quick, so I'm so made up. Thank you so much for watching this series as well. Definitely will be doing more stuff like this anyway in the future. Like, I'm always buying new homeware bits. I'm sure you'll see new added little bits and bobs in my room. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.